children, welcome to our English class. How are you all? Are you all fine? Are you all good? Yes. Okay, very good. Can we move on to our chapter? Can we move on to our chapter? Are you all ready? Yes, very good. Then all of you tell me what was the name of our story? We were discussing a story in the last class. Do you all remember the story? Yes? Then tell me what was the name of the story? Yes, it is The Mice That Ate Balance. Okay, do you remember it? Okay, then dear children, can I ask you some questions from the story, from the previous part? Are you ready to answer? Yes, good. Then tell me, who were the two characters in the story? Who were the two characters in the story? Yes, tell me, what was their name? Yes, it was Jiva and Janak. Jiva and Janak. Yes, very good. Then who was Jiva? Who was Jiva? Yeah, Jiva was a poor merchant. Was he a poor merchant? No, yes. Then he was a rich he was a wealthy merchant who lived in a village. Okay. Then who was Janak? Who was Janak? Janak was the friend of Jiva. They were close friends. They were close friends. Okay. Then what happened to Jiva? Yeah, yes. Due to the heavy rain and flood, he lost his money. Okay, he lost his business and everything. Then what did he do? He decided to go to the world. Tell me, all of you tell me. Yes, he decided to go to the town. Okay, then what about the iron balance? There was an iron balance with him. What did he do with the iron balance? Yes. The iron balance was a heavy one. It was heavy one. So it was difficult to carry to the town. So he decided to keep the iron balance with his friend Janak. Then what happened? Did he go to Janak's home? Yes. Jiva went to Janak's home and was he ready? Was Janak ready to keep the iron balance? Tell me, was he ready? Yes, he was ready. He was ready to keep the iron balance. Then what happened to them? Yes, after a few years, this man Jiva returned back to their home, their village. Then what did he do? He went to Janak's home. Do you remember that? Do you remember? Yes, good. So he went to Janak's home and he asked, what did he ask? Yes, he asked, Janak, where is my iron balance? Then my children, can you tell me what was the reply of the man Janak? Can you give me the reply? His reply was, he said, Jiva, your iron balance was eaten by mice. Then what was the reaction of Jiva then? Did he angry? No. He said, no problem, Janak. And he said one more thing, that his wife had prepared delicious sweets. So he said to Janak that, Janak, please send your son with me. Then I can send some of the delicious food for you. Okay, do you remember that? Yes, very good. Then Janak, what was the reply of Janak? Janak said, no problem. Dear child, you go with Jiva and come back soon. Okay. Then what happened? It was getting late. It was late evening. Chanak's son didn't come back to his home. And Chanak went to Jiva's home and asked, Jiva, where is my son? He didn't come back to home. Where is my son? Jiva said, your son, an eagle, a big eagle, had swooped down upon him and carried him away, a big eagle. So this man, Chanak, became angry. He asked, how can an eagle carry off a young boy? My child is a grown-up boy. He is a big one. Okay, he is not a little child. He is a grown-up boy. So how can an eagle carry off a young boy? So then what happened to them? That we are going to discuss today. Do you want to know what happened to them? What happened to Jiva and Chanak? Are you ready to listen? Yes, very good. Then all of you take now page number 21. All of you take page number 21. We are going to continue the story. So now we move on to the chapter. Okay, all of you look at your textbook. The argument turned into a fight. The matter had to be taken to the village court. The judge listened to both the parties and ordered Jiva to bring Janak's son to the court. Otherwise, he would be sent to jail. So, there was an argument between Jiva and Janak. What do you mean by the word argument? Argument means quarrel or conflict, a fight between Jiva and Janak. Thus, many people came there and the case had to be taken in front of the court. There is a court. Okay. So, there was a judge in the village court. There was a judge. Okay. He listened everything. He listened both the stories of Jiva and Janak, and he argued, he said to Jiva that to bring Janak's home immediately to the court. The judge said to Jiva, you should bring Janak's son to the court now. So, otherwise, if you are not bringing him to the court now, you would go to jail. We would send you to the jail. So, who said that? The judge said to Jiva. My lord, said Jiva, how can I, when an eagle has carried away the boy? Stop this nonsense, the judge shouted. How can a bird carry away a young boy in his talons? If mice can eat an iron balance, why can a bird carry away a grown-up boy? Answered Jiva. Then he narrated the whole story to the judge. So, what is the meaning of this? Yes, that time Jiva said, my lord, how can I bring him here? How can I bring Janak's son to the court? Because his son, an eagle, has carried him away. An eagle had carried off him away. So, how can I bring him back? Then what was the reply of judge? Judge said, stop this nonsense. You are saying nonsense. You are saying utterly nonsense things. You are saying foolish things. Stop it now. And how can a bird carry away a young boy in his talons? Talons means, see, claws. Claws. You may have seen claws in a bird's body. Okay. So, how can a bird carry away a young boy in his talons? It is not possible to carry a young boy in a bird's talons. Okay, a bird cannot carry off a young boy. Do you think it is possible? unequal. No. So judge also said that. Then what was the reply of Jiva, He said, if mice can eat iron balance, why can't a bird carry away a grown-up boy? He said to the judge that if mice can eat an iron balance, why can't an eagle carry off a young boy? If it is possible, this also is possible. If mice can eat an iron balance, if it is possible, this also possible. So that time he narrated means told. He said or he told the judge all the stories. What happened to him? Okay, the story of the iron balance. The story of the iron balance. He said everything in front of the court. Then what happened to him? Let us see in the next page. Okay, all of you take next page. The judge then warned Janak and asked him to speak the truth. Janak felt sorry and returned the iron balance to Jiva. Jiva returned the iron balance to Janak and said, my friend, here is your son. I was trying to teach you a lesson in honesty. Okay, so there was a judge in the village court. Okay, so that judge heard all the stories. What happened to Jiva? What was the problem between Jiva and Janak? He heard, he listened everything, and he asked Janak. The judge said to Janak that, Janak, you please tell the story. Speak the truth. You are saying lies. So speak up the truth. Who said it? The judge said to Janak. And Janak felt sorry. He felt sorry. And he said all the stories before the court. And he said everything. What happened to the iron balance and everything. He said in front of the court. And Jiva returned the boy to Janak and said that this man, Janak, he returned the iron balance to Jiva. Janak gave the iron balance to Jiva. He gave it back to Jiva. And Jiva also gave his son. Okay. Jiva returned his son also. Okay. Jiva returned back to his son also. So this Jiva returned the boy to Janak and said. So Jiva returned Janak's son back. Okay. Then he said, I was trying to teach you a lesson in honesty. So my dear friend Janak, I was teaching you a lesson. Okay. I was teaching you a lesson. You were telling me lies. A man should not tell lies. Okay, you wanted my iron balance. So you said me lot of lies. That is not good. You should not tell lies. So I wanted to teach you a lesson of honesty. That is why I did this all. So what is the meaning of honesty? Do you want to know? What is the meaning of honesty? Honesty means truthful or trustworthy. Truthful, trustworthy. We must be honest. We should not do any wrong things. We should not say any lies. If a man is honest, he won't do any wrong things. He will be sincere. He will be truthful. That is the meaning of honesty. So my dear children, this is all about the story. I hope you enjoyed the story well. Okay. Did you enjoy it well? Very good. So there are some activities in the same page. Let's see the activities. Okay. All of you look at read and answer. Page number 22. Sorry, 22. All of you look at page number 22. Now my dear children, let's move on to the activities. Okay. All of you take this. Read and answer. Okay, read and answer. Choose the correct option for the following. Okay. First question we are going to discuss now. Jiva was a dash merchant who lived in a dash on the bank of a river. So there are three options are given there. You should choose the right one. We are going to choose the right one. Let us see it. Okay, let us see the options. First one is wealthy town, poor village. Third one is wealthy village. What is the right answer? Yes, Jiva was he a poor merchant? Was he a poor merchant? No, he was a wealthy merchant, right? So then, who lived in was he living in a village or town? Was he living in a village or town? Yes, he was living in a village. Okay. So what is the answer? The correct answer is third one. Okay, all of you now put a tick mark there. Put a tick mark there. Okay. So answer is third one. Now we move on to the next one, B. Before leaving for the town, Jiva decided to sell his iron balance, keep his iron balance with his friend Chanak, carry his iron balance to the town. Which is the correct answer? So he wanted to go to the town for trying his luck. So what did he do? Then Jiva decided to, what did he do? Did he sell his iron balance? No. Then keep his iron balance with his friend Chanak. He decided to keep his iron balance with his friend Chanak. Is it right answer? Yes, very good. So you put a tick mark there. 2. Answer is number 2. Okay. Then now we move on to activity. Question number C. When Jiva asked Janak for his iron balance on his return, Janak readily gave it back to him, refused to give it back to him, said that the mice in his house had eaten it. So, after returning from the town, Jiva went to Janak's home. That we know. Okay. Then he asked about his iron balance. That time, what was the reply of Janak? Was he ready to give that? Did he give it readily? Then did he refuse to give it back to him? Which is the right answer? You please say. Yes, he said something that time. When Jiva asked about his iron balance, he said something. What was that? Yes, your iron balance was eaten by, yes, mice. Okay, so answer is third one. Now D. Jiva told Janak to send his son along with him. Options: in return for his iron balance, to bring the sweets his wife had made, because he wanted to give the boy to the eagle. Which is the right answer? Jiva told Janak to send his son along with him. Jiva said to Janak that, Janak, you please send your son with me. Why did he say like that? Yes. What is the answer? To bring the sweets his wife had told Janak to send his son along with him. For what? Yes, to bring the sweets his wife had made or wife had prepared. Okay, my dear children, we wind up our class here. Before that, I give you a homework. Okay, what is the homework you know? Question number 2, 3 and 4. All of you, please try to find out the answers for the questions 2, 3 and 4 and write the answers in your notebook. Okay, if you have any doubt about the questions, you can ask to your teacher. Okay, my dear children, we will be discussing the rest of the activities in the next class. Till then, bye.